Hello you beautiful people, how are you doing? If you are new here, it's lovely to have you here, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. Now I do have a website where lots of the supplies that I use are available. I'll link that for you. There you will find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And very soon, as soon as I reach a certain amount of watch hours, I will be able to link the products I have on my website as I'm making the jewellery, saying things to you, and that's really fantastic. Not just to get you to buy from my website, but you can see the products more clearly. So if you can watch this video, it will really help me. I've got about another, I think I've got about another 50 watch hours to go. I really need to get those watch hours up. But while I'm on children themed jewellery, look at these. These are for Halloween. Aren't they fab? I bought these yesterday for £3.99. Lots of different projects in mind, but I'm going to make this, but with these. I've also made key rings using this design as well. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I'm actually making these for my niece. So Auntie Claire, can you make me some Best Friends Forever jewellery? So that's what I'm going to do. So let's get making these friendship necklaces. Now I've gone ahead and used 2 beading boards. You don't have to do this, but it just helped me. Now the beads I'm using are just some 5mm acrylic beads, which, see the ring light, but it's these. It will be 14 inches in length. So this one says friends, this one says best, so obviously best friends. And we've got a pair of scissors to cut the elastic, 2 pairs of pliers, and that's to attach the charms. And these are rainbow heart charms that I've used. So let me show you how I make them. So I'll do this one first of all. So give that a stretch. I'm just going to attach a bead clip to the end, stop your bead from falling off, or in my case a stationary clip. And then we just start threading. Just measure just over 12.5. Just pop these on. Just under 14 inches. Now to tie, we're going to do a surgeon's knot. So we go once, twice, and then pull. Then we do one the other way, pull, and I always do one for luck. And then we snip off. I do the Friends one now. Give it a stretch. Clip on the end to stop your beads falling off. And start threading the beads on. Stretch, and again we're going to do a surgeon's knot, so we go over twice, pull, we go once the other way, one for luck, snip those off. So here we've got our necklaces, best friends. We've got one there, one there. So where are we going to put them? I think we'll just go 2 beads, and we'll go 2 beads that side. So to open and close jump rings I'll link a video for you covering the jewellery basics, but there's a split at the top, so open the split, attach charm, and then we're going to go 2 beads in, and then we're going to close. Always open and close like this. So there's that one. Again, we take this one, there's the split, touch, then close. There we have rainbow charm necklaces. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.